Hi guys, this video is about a detailed analysis of the topic-wise weightage of advanced accounting of CA Inter Group 2. Now do not forget there have been a lot of changes in the last 2 years in this paper. Topics like underwriting, financial statements of insurance companies, mutual funds and valuation of goodwill were excluded from the paper. Also dissolution of partnership, which was a part of Group 1 syllabus, has been shifted to Group 2. There are a couple of accounting standards that got shifted from Group 1 paper to Group 2 paper. So we will not be able to make any references to the previous 4 question papers, that is from May 2018 to November 2019. I will not be able to give you the marking of those papers, though I have prepared it, because you will not be able to derive any conclusions out of it. Anyways, let us still understand a detailed analysis of the topic wise weightage, the segregation of topics as per ICAI that will be applicable for November 2020 and the coming attempts. So like any other paper guys, your advanced accounting paper also will have 6 questions. First question is of 20 marks, compulsory question. There will be remaining 5 questions, out of which you will have to answer 4 questions. Now segregation of topics guys, the first head of topic here is accounting standards. Accounting standards will fetch you at least 25 marks in the examination. As per ICAI, the weightage is 20 to 26 marks, but yes, on an average they've always been asking accounting standards for 25 marks. So yes, the entire first question is only of accounting standards, and there will be 1 additional question or sometimes 2 additional questions from accounting standards forming part of your 6th question. Though there are too many accounting standards, they are comparatively bigger in number if you compare it with Group 1 guys, but still we know that the questions would be fairly simple. You will have to stick to all the questions that have been done in the class and also practice those questions that have been asked in your test papers, the tests that were conducted at RCA. So yes, do them thoroughly, that would be sufficient. Now the second head of topics guys here is, now this second head of topics has a lot of topics included in it. There is ESOP, buyback, equity shares with differential rights, there's amalgamation, internal reconstruction and liquidation of companies. Earlier guys, there used to be 2 additional topics here, but then things were pretty simple earlier. Now the weightage as per ICAI is 33 to 38 marks. Earlier they used to ask amalgamation, internal reconstruction and liquidation of companies for 20 marks, ESOPs, buyback and other topics for 20 marks. But now I expect guys that this will come only for 10 marks. ESOPs, buyback, equity shares with differential rights will come for 10 to 15 marks. But the other topics guys, amalgamation, internal reconstruction and liquidation will come for 30 marks. So you can expect a 20 marker plus a 10 marker from amalgamation, internal reconstruction, liquidation of companies, or 20 plus 5 plus 5. And another 10 marks from ESOPs and buyback. But do not forget, ESOPs and buybacks are relatively smaller topics, so you will have to concentrate on them. Do them first, because you cannot suspend or you cannot push these topics towards the end guys. Do them thoroughly first and then shift to the other topics. वैसे ही बेटा amalgamation, internal reconstruction and liquidation में internal reconstruction will barely take any time. Do them thoroughly guys. It will be a simple journal entry question. Now the next head of topics is banking and NBFCs. Put together they will fetch 12 to 16 marks. So yes, you will expect 15 marks from these topics. They can be 1 10 marker and 1 5 marker. Again, if you categorize topics as A, B, C, banking and NBFC undoubtedly will come as category A, because they are relatively smaller topics and easier to complete. So do them first and then slowly shift to the other topics. Do not forget beta 10-15 marks beta आराम से मिल जाएंगे यहाँ पे. Then the last set of topics guys is consolidation and dissolution of partnership. The combined weightage of which is 25 to 30 marks. Undoubtedly you will expect 30 marks from this. This is the normal weightage. So there will be 1 20 marker and 1 10 marker or 2 15 marker questions. If consolidation is coming for 5 or 10 marks, it will only be about either minority interest, cost of control or consolidated profit and loss account. If it comes for 20 marks, you'll have a detailed consolidated financial statements, but the adjustments are fairly simple. So yes, nothing complicated. So yeah guys, this is your topic wise weightage of advanced accounting paper. This document is also available for download, though it's a simple this thing guys. The link of the document has been provided under the description. And also guys, all the very best. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss out on any important updates. All the best once again guys. Do well.